the brain is far more complicated than anything we have to deal with. But if you could somehow or another reignite the body's ability to heal itself, and in fact, they have a new chip that they're going to that they're working on now, where they install it in a person's body, and it reprograms your genes, and they think it can repair brain trauma, injuries, tissue damage, and even the effects of aging.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's a chip you put into your body, and it reprograms your genes. And I think it's probably at some like very embryonic stage of development.
It's going to be like $1 trillion right now.
Who knows? But they're probably trying to juice up, excitement for it by making it this thing
Can you
people
imagine?
talk about. I can imagine. I can tell. Look, dude. You know the story with my shoulder.
Yeah, I know.
My shoulder was fucked. I was ready to get shoulder surgery. It was hurting all the time. It doesn't hurt at all.
Brain's a different animal, though.
It is. You're right. It is.
Like you talk to,
it's way more complicated.
And you do. Yeah, you listen to the scientists. They go, you need a new heart. We can make that. You need lungs, muscle, bones. We can make all that. Can't help your brain right now.
Now, stop and think about where we were 50 years ago.
Yeah.
50 years ago, none of those things were possible.
Yeah.
So all these ideas that are commonplace today were just, it's science fiction 50 years ago. 50 years from now, they might be able to use this chip. Have you found that thing, that chip?
The one I found isn't even new. It's from 3 years ago, but it's made by DARPA.
No, that's not what it is. Okay. It's a new chip installed under skin that reprograms DNA and can heal injuries. Look, forget about brain injury. Just look at that, because new chip, I think it can replicate and restore. The idea behind it is it can program the genes to replicate and restore any sort of injury.
Did you read this on a forum, or this is some legit shit?
No, I think it was livescience.com. It's one of those websites, science websites that I go to.
You know what's
regular.
a bitch about that? Is by the time that's out, you and I probably be dead.
No, that's not true. It might be out real soon. Breakthrough device heals organs with a single touch. Device instantly delivers new DNA or RNA into living skin cells to change their function. This is it. They've developed a device that will switch cell function to rescue failing body functions with a single touch. The technology known as Tissue Nanotransfection injects genetic code into the skin cells, turning those skin cells into other types of cells required for treating disease conditions.
Goddamn.
Boom! Welcome to the future, motherfucker. CTE out the window. Football, no helmets. Don't be a pussy. We'll stitch you back up. They have a bunch of dudes with boxes of these chips sitting by, and you're down, your head's mashed in like that fucking guy, the mountain from a Game of Thrones, crushed. And they just stick that shit on your eyeballs, just pop right back into place. Like, whoa, that guy's strong. Then we start. You know what happens then? Sword fights.
Yes.
Once they can just grab a hold of you real quick and bring you back to life.
It's going to be a bitch for if you get stabbed, even if you can recover.
Sword fights would be like, you're not allowed to cut their head off.
Can't fix that.
Can't fix that.
Don't cut their fucking heads off.
It's like elbows to the back of the head when you got the back mount. You can't do those. They're too effective.
Don't cut their heads off.
Within 1 week, active blood vessels appeared in the injured leg, and by the second week, the leg was saved.
Holy shit.
Researchers studied mice and pigs in these experiments. In the study, researchers were able to reprogram skin cells to become vascular cells in badly injured legs that lack blood flow. So amazing probably for people with diabetes. Amazing for people that are suffering from all sorts of circulatory conditions.
Bro, it takes less than a second and is non-invasive.
Come on, son. Welcome to the new world. It's like that Nas song.
The chip doesn't even stay in your body. I think it says they can take it out.
Fuck.
We're living
What
in the future,
are we
bitch.
talking about?
We're fixing shit.
Why isn't this bigger news? Why isn't this on CNN, all that shit?
That's a good question.
Fake news.
Hurricanes.
Fake news.
Powerful fake news. They're too busy talking about Trump.
Earth's flat.
They're talking about whether or not Trump is a racist and whether or not that girl should get fired.
Instead of that is
drama.
nuts.
Ooh, excitement. Ooh, drama.
How's that not exciting as shit?
It's exciting as shit.
I'm going to go bash my brains in.
We're in the new world, man, and this is just one step, right? What is this going to be like 20 years? We didn't see this coming. What's it going to be like 20 years from now? We don't know who's in Austria right now in some fucking laboratory with white gloves on.
With a huge brain.
Putting their hand into some crazy machine. There's a petri dish, and they got all these lasers that are zapping this thing, and they're... Who knows what the fuck they're doing right now?
Well, what's a bummer? Is this the first I've heard about till you fucking brought it up?
Well, I'm on the ball, son. I'm
but
on all that stuff.
Still.
Powerful Matt Staggs sent me that. Shout out to Matt Staggs.
I like that guy.
He's awesome.
Yeah.
Great guy.